Hello students, today we are going to solve the exercise of lesson number 4, Disaster Management. Standard 6, Maharashtra Board and myself Mrs. Prachi Surdikar will explain you the exercise of disaster management. Before that, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Students, if you want the answers of question number 1, 2 and 3 of this exercise, please click on the link I have given in the description box. In this video, we are going to cover from question number 4. The question number 4 is answer the following questions. First question asked is what is meant by disaster? The answer is a sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property, and social aspects of a nation or society is called disaster. Second question is what are the types of disasters? So, disasters are of two types. First is man made disaster. This disaster occurs due to the activities of humans. Second is natural disaster. These disasters occurs due to natural phenomenon like heavy rainfall, flood, lightning, earthquake, etc. Third question is what is meant by disaster management? Answer, you have to write the answer in point wise format. First point is to prevent or reduce damage caused by natural or man-made disasters, emergency planning and management is required. Second is taking steps to prevent disasters, making plans to face disasters and developing the capacity for that is called as disaster management. Next question is which are the main components of disaster management? The answer, the main components of disaster management are first, making plans to face disaster. So, whatever the disaster is there, you have to make a plan for that. For example, flood. Flood is the phenomenon or the disaster that is there. So, in the first step, there has to be plan that what steps to be done if the flood occurs. Second is developing capacity for execution of the plans. For example, if you want to distribute the food, if you want to rescue the people from the flood, so there has to be creation of the manpower or physical facilities to execute that plan, and that is the second step. Third is prevent disaster. So by using the manpower and the physical facilities, the disaster should be prevented. The next step is restoration of the facilities and rehabilitation. So whatever damage or the loss has been occurred to the due to the calamity, the restoration of those facilities has to be done or the rehabilitation to be done. Question number 5 is find out about the work of Sarpamitra. The work of Sarpamitra is as follows. So Sarpamitra are the snake friends. So their work is first, they protect the snakes. Second, they can catch the snakes from the residential area and safely rescue them in their natural habitat. Third, they have idea about the types of snakes, intensity of poison, and thus they knows the classification of snakes. Fourth is they can demonstrate various aspects of snakes and snake bite. And the fifth is they can give first aid to in case of the snake bite. Next question is find out what a first aid kit or box contain. First aid box is the box in which the preliminary medication is present. So first aid box should contain first aid manual, sterile gauze pads, adhesive bandages, elastic bandages, splint, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointments, antiseptic solutions, hydrocortisone cream, Seizures, alcohol wipes, thermometers, and list of emergency phone numbers of doctors, hospitals, etc. Question number 7 is suggest remedial measures for dealing the natural or man-made disaster. First disaster is fire. In the remedy column, you have to write call fire brigade, use fire extinguisher. Second disaster, building collapse. Remedy is give help to clear debris, call an ambulance to send victims to hospital. Third disaster is road accident. Remedy is call an ambulance, give immediate first aid and emotional support. Next disaster is flood. Remedy is donate food and clothing for flood victims, stay at some height if possible. War. Remedy is give shelter to innocent victims, provide food and clothing and first aid to the victims. Next is bomb explosion. Remedy is call an ambulance, take the victim to a safer place and provide basic first aid. Next disaster is earthquake. Remedy is give help to clear debris, call an ambulance to send victims to hospitals. Next disaster is deluge. Deluge is the huge flood due to the heavy rainfall. So remedy for that is donate food and clothing for flood victims. Stay at some height if possible. Storm. Provide shelter and help in clearing the debris. Tsunami. Move to a safer place. Donate food and clothing for victims. Drought. Remedy is donate food and water for victims, provide shelter and monetary help. Landslides. Help in rehabilitation services. So we have covered question number 4 to question number 7. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.